Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into one of the most powerful technology driving AI today, which is large language model, in short LLM. By the end of this video, you will understand what an LLM really is in super simple terms, then how it works inside like tokens, embedding, transformers. So let's get started. Let's jump to the topic. So what is an LLM? So think of an LLM as a super librarian who has read all the entire internet, all the books, all the articles, everything. Okay, but this librarian does not memorize every page. Instead, they remember the patterns of how words and ideas connect. Let's understand how these LLMs work using these three simple steps. Okay, so first is token, then embeddings, then transformers. So what is token? So AI does not eat the sentence whole, it chops them into a smaller chunks called tokens. Example, if you take a word playing, it will divide it word like play plus ink. Okay, it will find some pattern, and somewhere it will break that one into smaller chunks. So just like you think like your 1 GB internet pack is not coming at once, that pack is split into MBs and KBs. Okay, so what's it will split into, there are algorithms that the word they will split into smaller chunks, and each chunks, that smaller chunks we are calling as a tokens. Then embedding. So each token gets a mathematical meaning actually. So the AI knows that king and queen are relatable. So pizza is related to food. You know, pizza is not related to any play, any movie, any politics. You know, pizza is closer to food. King is related to queen. Okay. So each token gets a mathematical meaning. By that meaning only it can get to know, okay, these two tokens are relatable. Then next comes transformers. So transformers are like good listeners. If you tell a long story, they focus on the important words, which word they need to pay attention. This way only they will get to know, or like they will decide. So ChatGPT will decide what to pay attention to when you ask a question. So when you are asking or giving some prompts to ChatGPT or any other LLM, it will try to find out some important keywords uh, to which it will give the attention. Okay. Okay, then we'll see what is inside the ChatGPT or any LLM's brains. Okay, so those are the three building blocks like tokens, embedding, and transfer. But how it is processing? So first process will be the training process. During the training, LLMs read the billions of sentences from books, articles, and websites. Okay, so they don't copy, they don't memorize, they learn the patterns, grammars, fact, even reasoning also. Okay, so first is the training process. They will read all the sentence, all the books, all the articles, whatever is there in internet, they will read and try to find out the patterns. Then how it responds, like when you ask a question or give some prompt, the AI does not know the answer like a human. Like as a human, we know the you asked how are you, we know how to answer it. But as AI does not know the answer like a human. Instead, it calculates based on everything I have seen. What is the most likely next word or sentence? It will find out what is the pattern. In this pattern, what should be the next word or sentence. Whatever I have seen, I have read till now, what is the most likely next word for it? It will find that way, but it will find that fast. Okay. Then clarification. See, it's not a fortune teller, right? It's a pattern matcher. So there are patterns, it has seen all the patterns, all the sentence, and it has that computing power to calculate it fast. So there are few limitations also, like hallucination. Sometimes it makes up some fact like so much confident, you think okay, maybe this is correct, what I am thinking that is wrong. Obviously it is not updated with the current time and date. It has some cut-off date. It only knows whatever it was trained on. Up to that data it knows. After that, if anything current news is there, it does not aware of that. And bias, if your data had bias, then AI also give you the biased answers. So now that you know what is LLM, so let's look at the top LLMs in current date. Okay, so first is GPT. Okay, so Chat GPT is the application, but GPT is the large language model. On top of it Chat GPT works. So Chat GPT talks to this LLM and give the response back to us. Okay, so this is from the company OpenAI. So they have different version of GPT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Currently they have launched 5 also. So GPT is the LLM. Chat GPT is the application which talk to GPT and give us the response. And it is from the company OpenAI. And it is versatile, powerful, and it is for everyone. So it is powerful, obviously it's versatile, it has lots of plugins and APIs. I think nowadays they have decided to make it open source. Okay, and it is best for beginners and businessmen if you want to write email, making up some table or some plans. It is very good. Next we have Claude, which is from Anthropic. So it has brilliant reasoning and long memory, can read even books. Okay, so it has the prompting limit, like how much words you can do in one prompt. It has more than ChatGPT. It's good, safe, and it has some deep reasoning power. So it is best for developers, some deep work, research and analysis. It's very good. Then next we have Llama from Meta. So it is a open source, free, customizable. But for running Llama on your local computer, you need little strong hardware. Then we have Mistral, which is small and fast, efficient. It is great for smaller startups, or if you're a developer, you want to experiment something, you want to build your applications using this LLM, then it is low cost deployments also. So it is good. And it is lightweight also. Then we have Gemini from Google, and this also has strong reasoning, and it is connected to Google search actually. Then we have DeepSeek R1, which is also open source, high performance in math, code, reasoning. This is also good for developers and researchers. Then next we have DALI, which is basically it is famous for the generating images. Okay, it is limited to images only, not a text LLM. I think this GPT and Gemini, these are the multimodal LLMs. They can generate text, images, word file, PPTs, they can generate. Okay, but this DALI is only limited to images, but it will generate the very realistic images from the text. Handles very detailing and style is very beautifully. It is good for the designers, marketers, content creators who need visuals. It is good for them. So I think by now you know what is inside these AI tools, like what are the tokens, embedding, transformer, what is this LLM, how it works. So if you like the video, if you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.